In this video, I want to talk through tagging. So tagging allows us to curate where the material goes week to week. So there's a few things that we need to know about how tags work. Number one, if there's not a tag placed on a playlist, it goes to every single TV. Now, tags that are placed on playlist only go to certain TVs. So let's hop over and see some examples of this. So as we begin to look back at our announcement slides that we created, we can see that we do not have a tag on it. What that means is that this playlist will go to every single TV on campus that has a playlister account. So if I want it to only go to a certain area, I can click here and add in a tag. So if I click on ones and twos, we can now see that this content will go to the fun room, the sharing room, the faith room, and the trust room. Now, it will not be on the praise workshop room. If I want it to go to the praise workshop room, I can add in praise workshop. Now you can see that the screens inside the praise workshop tag is praise workshop. Okay. Now, in this setup, it's going to all my TVs. What would be more efficient for me in creating this is to actually leave the tags off of this item so it goes to all of my TVs. Now, when I look at my week-to-week content, if we look at our Praise Workshop FL Premium April week 5, you can see that I've placed a tag on here that is for Praise Workshop only. That means that this content will only go to Praise Workshop. It will not go anywhere else. If we look at our ones and twos content, you can see that it is going to our ones and twos classroom and not to Praise Workshop. This can help organize and keep the room simple for our volunteers week to week. Using tags can really benefit us in making sure that that content does not need to go where it doesn't need to go, and making sure that the content is where it needs to be. So utilize tags. They can help you out and help improve how we curate the material to our volunteers.